और आप देख रहे हैं CNBC आवाज।
Focus, ideate, innovate, enable.
भारत दुनिया में सोने का सबसे बड़ा उपभोक्ता है। सोना दरअसल एक बेहतरीन निवेश का जरिया माना गया है। साथ ही ये ऐश्वर्य और कई अनुष्ठानों का एक मूलभूत हिस्सा माना जाता है। इस तरह भारी मात्रा में खपत के चलते जेम्स एंड ज्वेलरी सेक्टर भारतीय अर्थव्यवस्था में एक महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका निभाता है। ये देश के सकल घरेलू उत्पाद में लगभग 6 से 7% का योगदान देता है। UBM जो कि बड़ी बड़ी प्रदर्शनियों के आयोजक हैं, इन्होंने हाल ही में रिटेल आभूषण गिल्ड पुरस्कार के दूसरे संस्करण का आयोजन किया। ये पुरस्कार आभूषण उद्योग की विभिन्न संस्थाओं और प्रतिभाओं को सम्मानित करने का एक प्रयास है।
इस समारोह की शुरुआत दिल्ली के प्रगति मैदान में एक B2B आभूषण मेले दिल्ली ज्वेलरी एंड जेम्स फेयर 2016 के उद्घाटन के साथ की गई।
A very, very warm welcome to all the stalwarts of the industry and everybody who's a part of this August gathering. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for joining us on this occasion and for making this evening even more special with your presence. Over the years, jewelry has become synonymous with beauty, and perhaps that's why women love it the way they do. It is a product of brilliant imagination and skilled hard work, and tonight is all about celebrating people who make this possible for us, who are the artists, the creators, and the people who bring this jewelry close to us. Tonight, we've gathered here to honor and recognize the efforts, innovation, and excellence of the retail jewelry industry in India. Before we proceed with the awards, I'd like to take this opportunity to invite the Managing Director of UBM India, Mr. Yogesh Mudras, everyone.
Very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of UBM India, a warm welcome to all of you for this very special evening, especially to our dignitaries who have joined us today. For this very special evening celebrating style, glitter, glamour and craftsmanship in the Indian gems and jewelry industry. Tonight, UBM India sets out to celebrate the very best of this rich legacy with the second edition of Retail Jewelers and Jewelry and Guild Awards. The awards serve as a coveted industry platform to acknowledge the excellence, innovation, and contribution of organizations as well as individuals in the retail jewelry industry. The second edition of these awards has seen over 100% growth in nominations, more than 900 nominations in the first round. So we had the jury round which went in 2 phases. And the categories have been extended quite a lot from the first edition. They have been crafted by keeping in mind the diverse activities of the retail jewelry industry. Our country is one of the largest exporters of gems and jewelry, and the industry is considered to play a vital role in India's economy. Over the years, the biggest transformation that the sector has seen is the rise of the organized retail players over the unorganized and the local ones. More than 20,000 buyers from across north of India have registered to come across 3 days of the show. So on behalf of UBM India, I once again welcome you all to this rewarding evening. My heartiest congratulations to all the well-deserved winners, and may we learn from and be inspired by them. Thank you.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, moving up ahead, allow me to introduce our next speaker to all of you tonight for a keynote address, Ms. Nirupa Bhatt.
Namaskar. It's great to be here and meet all of you who are professionals and entrepreneurs and trying to do the best in whichever areas that you are, be manufacturer, retailer, or designer. I believe in awards for one very simple reason. When you have awards, it motivates us to really do something more. Recognition is something that we all love. And in the industry, as we all know, that there are some awards which already exist. But I think within that, the competition is good because they all try to do one step over the others. And I think that really is a great sign in my opinion. One another thing is about the retail environment. Talking about the industry is experiencing a lot of problems. And how do we really address those issues? That our industry is built on trust. And that trust, we have to ask ourselves, are we really doing everything possible to continue to build that trust? And what is it that is required to grow that? How can we really grow our customer base? What is it that we can do, what we should do, so that we will keep having our consumers to come back and buy things or at least look for it? Thank you all. Enjoy the evening.
Okay, moving up ahead, allow me to introduce our next speaker to you. Please put your hands together, everyone, as I invite Ms. Renu Sharma from Rajwara Jewelers.
Today, our industry is suffering. We are lagging behind. And we all know this is one of the highest foreign exchange earner for a country. And we are highest employment generator in the country. But still, we are all suffering. We were all having strikes and all. And our margins are so low now, so we are starving. We should all work together and bring this forward.
फ्यूचर्स एक्सप्रेस के प्रायोजक हैं बंधन बैंक, मोबिलिटी पार्टनर इन टेक स्मार्टफोन्स।
आप जिन बाइक्स और कार्स के साथ जिंदगी का इतना सारा वक्त बिताते हैं, कितना जानते हैं आप उन्हें? आइए हमारे साथ करिए अपने बाइक्स और कार्स से बात।
आवाज ओवरड्राइव शनिवार 2:30 बजे, रविवार 2 बजे और रात 10:30 बजे।
आवाज ओवरड्राइव पावर्ड बाय स्कोडा, सिंपली क्लेवर। प्रायोजक है नेरोलैक हेल्दी होम पेंट्स, मोबिलिटी पार्टनर इन टेक स्मार्टफोन्स।
इस वक्त बाजार की कुछ बड़ी बातें आपको बताएं।
आखिरी घंटे में ट्रेडिंग पर सलाह, आज के सौदे कहां काटें, कल का मुनाफा आज ही लॉक कैसे करें। आखिरी सौदा सोमवार से शुक्रवार दोपहर 2:27 पर।
पावर्ड बाय सिस्का LED, लाइट इयर्स अहेड, मोबिलिटी पार्टनर इन टेक स्मार्टफोन्स।
Ladies and gentlemen, now allow us to take you into the glamorous world where everything that glitters is gold and everything that shines is diamond. Since this evening is all about jewelry and celebrating jewelry and the jewelers that are the minds behind that jewelry, there's no better way to kickstart this evening than to present a fashion show that exhibits the most exquisite jewelry, which is sure to dazzle all of you. So here we are presenting to all of you our first fashion show, which is going to be brought to you by Swan Shri Jewels. Ladies and gentlemen, that was truly dazzling and a perfect reminder of why we love jewelry. Our esteemed jury members did all the hard work of selecting the winners from so many entries. I would like to request our esteemed jury members to please come on the stage. We'd like to begin by inviting Ms. Nirupa Bhatt, MD, GIA India and Middle East. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Ms. Nirupa Bhatt. We would also like to invite and thank Ms. Poonam Soni. Also, ladies and gentlemen, allow me to invite on the stage next Ms. Preeti Dedia. Thank you very much for your contribution, Ms. Preeti. And others who are not present here with us tonight but have played a very pivotal role, we'd also like to mention them tonight. Mr. Kapil Hetmasarai, Mr. Laksh Pahuja, Mr. Anil Bharwani. We would also like to thank Ms. Varuna Jani, Ms. Riha Nasta, Ms. Aditi Kotak, Mr. Rajendra Jain, Ms. Shano Bijlani, Mr. Gautam Banerjee and Ms. Gunjan Suri. Let's have a round of applause for all of them. Thank you.
शाम का पहला अवार्ड एक्सीलेंस इन कस्टमर सर्विस सेल्स प्रोसेस इनिशिएटिव्स के विजेता रहे काशी ज्वेलर्स। दूसरा अवार्ड एक्सीलेंस इन कस्टमर सर्विस आफ्टर सेल्स इनिशिएटिव टाइटन कंपनी लिमिटेड ज्वेलरी डिवीजन को मिला। स्टोर ऑफ द ईयर स्टैंड अलोन लेस देन 1000 स्क्वायर फीट अवार्ड के भागीदार रहे बिलिस्मा। अगला अवार्ड स्टोर ऑफ द ईयर स्टैंड अलोन 1000 to 5000 स्क्वायर फीट गाया कलर फाइन कंटेम्पररी ज्वेल्स को मिला। स्टोर ऑफ द ईयर स्टैंड अलोन मोर देन 5000 स्क्वायर फीट अवार्ड के विजेता रहे AS मोतीवाला।
With this, ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce our second fashion show for the evening, which is by Rajwara Jewelers. In the trade, for the last 20 years, Rajwara is involved internationally in showcasing Indian jewelry all around the globe. They have participated in various exhibitions all over the world, including Kuwait in year 2009. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together as we present to you the second fashion sequence for the evening by Rajwara Jewelers. Come on, everyone. Okay. Now, in addition to the Retail Jewelers Guild Awards, UBM India is launching tonight the second edition of India's leading retail jewelry companies publication, which will provide a 10-year outlook on the industry with key insights and trends.
मोतीजंस ज्वेलर्स को स्टोर ऑफ द ईयर चेन स्टोर लेस देन 10 स्टोर्स के अवार्ड से सम्मानित किया गया। स्टोर ऑफ द ईयर चेन स्टोर मोर देन 10 स्टोर्स के विजेता रहे वामन हरिपेठे ज्वेलर्स। मोस्ट इनोवेटिव मार्केटिंग कैंपेन 360 डिग्रीज का खिताब मिला PR डिजाइन्स प्राइवेट लिमिटेड को। मुरलीधर ज्वेलर्स को मोस्ट इनोवेटिव मार्केटिंग कैंपेन डिजिटल का अवार्ड दिया गया। मोस्ट इनोवेटिव मार्केटिंग कैंपेन एक्सपीरियंशियल एक्टिवेशंस के भागीदार रहे रिलायंस ज्वेल्स। मोस्ट इनोवेटिव मार्केटिंग कैंपेन प्रिंट का खिताब मिला खुराना ज्वेलरी हाउस को। मोटिसंस ज्वेलर्स लिमिटेड को मोस्ट इनोवेटिव मार्केटिंग कैंपेन रेडियो का अवार्ड दिया गया। मोस्ट इनोवेटिव मार्केटिंग कैंपेन टीवी के विजेता रहे GR थंगामालिगई ज्वेलर्स इंडिया प्राइवेट लिमिटेड। काशी ज्वेलर्स को एम्प्लॉयर ऑफ द ईयर का अवार्ड मिला।
The Hyde Park Premium Apartments very rightly boasts of being not only the landscape but a landmark. Well planned and elegantly designed 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium apartments and penthouses plus the extravagant duplexes.
बेंगलुरु से पुणे, पुणे से अहमदाबाद, अहमदाबाद से जयपुर और फिर राजधानी दिल्ली। इनोवेशन यात्रा सिर्फ CNBC आवाज पर।
शुद्ध प्लस पान मसाला, तुम में भी मैं हूँ।
अनिल सिंघवी के साथ शुरू कीजिए बाजार में कारोबार।
दुनिया भर के बाजारों में तेजी का माहौल।
साथ में होंगे बाजार के जाने माने दिग्गज।
मार्केट काउंटडाउन सोमवार से शुक्रवार सुबह 7:57 पर।
मार्केट काउंटडाउन पावर्ड बाय नीलकमल फर्नीचर। प्रायोजक है ट्रेड बुल सिक्योरिटीज और माचो। मोबिलिटी पार्टनर इंटेक्स स्मार्टफोन्स।
पहला सौदा में आप सबका स्वागत है। आपको लगता है ये सेक्टर में दम है? लोगों को इस करेक्शन का फायदा उठाना चाहिए।
क्या एक पुलबैक की संभावना है?
पहला सौदा सोमवार से शुक्रवार सुबह 8:57 पर।
मोबिलिटी पार्टनर इंटेक्स स्मार्टफोन्स।
वायदा बाजार का सुपरहिट शो, निफ्टी की चाल, बड़ी तेजी और मंदी वाले फ्यूचर्स पर चर्चा और इनके बीच क्या हो आपकी रणनीति। फ्यूचर्स एक्सप्रेस सोमवार से शुक्रवार सुबह 11:57 पर।
फ्यूचर्स एक्सप्रेस के प्रायोजक है बंधन बैंक। मोबिलिटी पार्टनर इंटेक्स स्मार्टफोन्स।
Ladies and gentlemen, with this we're all set to present to you the third fashion show for the evening, which is being presented by Fiona Solitaires. It is the first and only registered brand in India for Moissanite solitaire jewelry set in 18,000 gold category. It has opened a luxury retail store in Bandra and Vashi with a vision to care to the needs of its ever-increasing customer base. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together as we present to you the third fashion sequence for this evening, brought to you by Fiona Solitaires.
एक्सीलेंस इन डिजाइन डायमंड ज्वेलरी के भागीदार रहे शोभा असद ज्वेलरी प्राइवेट लिमिटेड। अगला अवार्ड एक्सीलेंस इन डिजाइन गोल्ड ज्वेलरी वामन हरिपेठे ज्वेलर्स को मिला। एक्सीलेंस इन डिजाइन सिल्वर ज्वेलरी के विजेता रहे वामन हरिपेठे ज्वेलर्स। एक्सीलेंस इन डिजाइन प्लैटिनम का अवार्ड दिया गया वामन हरिपेठे ज्वेलर्स को। एक्सीलेंस इन डिजाइन जड़ाऊ में काशी ज्वेलर्स को सम्मानित किया गया। यूबीएम इनिशिएटिव रिकॉग्निशन इनोवेशंस इन चेन्स मिला स्वर्ण शिल्प चेन्स एंड ज्वेलरी को। पराग अग्रवाल को यूबीएम इनिशिएटिव रिकॉग्निशन राइजिंग स्टार से सम्मानित किया गया। शाम के आखिरी विजेता रहे गोविंद ढोलकिया, जिन्हें लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट अवार्ड से सम्मानित किया गया।
And now, ladies and gentlemen, after so many awards, we are ready for our fourth and last round of fashion show, which is presented to you by Luminex Uno, the new age precious metal. This is being presented by leading jewelers of the world, which is the new age precious metal, which is an amalgamation of 4 precious metals. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together as we present to you the last and the fourth fashion show for the evening by Luminex Uno, everyone.
UBM is a great platform to showcase our jewelry products all over India, and we are looking forward to publicize more of our products like this only.
Great privilege and honor for us to be awarded, and this year we did a hat trick, winning 3 awards. Basically and this is a very special thing because last year we've been winning for design categories. So this time we got 1 award for the design category for the best color stone Jadao design of the year, and 2 very special awards which go straight back. One of them goes back to the customer, which is the best customer service in the industry, and the second one being for the best employer of the year. So both ways I think it ties up well from the customer angle and then for our team also. So it's a great thing. We're feeling very happy and proud and yet humbled to be a part of it.
Well, UBM, I think it provides a wonderful platform for retail jewelers, and it provides great incentives and motivation for us to perform better in every aspect. Like they have come up with different categories of awards, so we feel really motivated to work towards excellence.
We would like to thank UBM for giving this platform and the hard work that the jury has put in selecting these awards. It has been a wonderful night, a jam-packed, glamorous night with the fashion shows. It has been a wonderful evening.
Focus, ideate, innovate, enable.
चलो आज रिश्तों को कुछ और रोशन करते हैं।
चल अपनों की खातिर कुछ तारे